Abdul, are you recording?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, hello. Listen, 20th September, Michaud, Laughing Boy. I'm there. I want to see you there. Otherwise, you die. You die. You don't come. You sure get it. This is Reeboks. You can buy them in stores. I want sponsorship deals. Laughing Boy, 20th of September, hosted by me, comedy by Latif Lovejoy, Glenda Jackson, Quincy Jones, just Quincy, music by Jericho Peppers, and Alex Mills, and New Brand Flexes. They draw cash by the hours. If you don't want to be gashed by the hours, then I suggest you come. Laughing Boy, 20th September, Brick Lane, at the Brick House, where all my brothers can eat. Okay? Fidel, you've got the message?
You're taking a piss, mate. Fuck, you're taking a piss. All right, so it's you, Daniel, all right? East London, that is. All right, see you later.
I
Born-
want you there.
Born and bred here, mate, huh?
We're all dead.
I don't know what he's talking about, mate.
You come, bastard.
Yeah, listen to him, mate.